Welcome back to another demonstration of one of our many Forex trading robots. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can read more about each of our Forex robots by going to forexcove.com and then click on the Forex Robot Library. Today we're going to be taking a look at what we call the Trend Glider Plus. We have very fond memories of this robot, as this is one of the top performing bots that we've ever made. We like to say that this robot is Trend meets Martingale, because in one single robot you can actually do trend trading and Martingale, and you can blend them together. On this page you will find a lot of information on the rationale behind the robot, how it trades, its strategies. We also have some sample results so you can go in and see if this matches your trading profile. We also have the Trend Glider Plus features broken down. As we always do, we have design and operation, where you can see the trading logic by clicking here, modes of operation, risk management, etc., and some general recommendations: what kind of market conditions, currency pairs, time frames, and threats and opportunities when working with this particular tool. But now let's head over to our trading platform and see the details of the Trend Glider Plus. In a minute, I'm going to show you the new live testing feature in cTrader, and then I'm going to explain the rationale behind the investment decisions that the robot does. But let's have a quick look at the feature list of the robot. The robot enables you to set individual take profit and stop loss targets for each trade in a martingale sequence. This is quite unique because this enables you on the first trade to operate with a lower take profit and stop loss and still be profitable when the martingale is enabled. The robot comes with a moving average where you can decide what kind of moving average. You also get RSI for detecting overbought and oversold areas. There is a function that you can close positions if equity is X% higher than your current balance. It comes with risk management, so you have a maximum number of losing trades if you indeed are using the Martingale feature. We also have what we call the handbrake. The handbrake is if a single candle is larger than X pips, the robot will close positions and stop if you so wish to. But perhaps what really sets this robot apart is the feature called Whirlwind. What this feature does is, instead of doubling always in the same direction, which is a problem when prices trend strongly and there's a lack of retracement, we actually double in the direction of the trend, and this is completely unique. But let's see it in action. So off we go, and we can now visually see the actual behavior of this robot, and that's what I wanted to show you. So I've configured a moving average, and as on the trend side of things, when we open a trade above the moving average, we open a buy trade, and when we are below the moving average, we open a sell trade. Except when the RSI is overbought and oversold, then we don't, then we do the opposite. You will notice that I have enabled the Martingale feature, and different, and you'll probably see that in a minute, different than the traditional Martingale as explained previously. We don't keep the original direction in the Martingale sequence, and that's quite unique. So what you get is essentially, you get all the things you want from trend. You always want to be on the right side of the trend, like now. We want to be buying now. We don't want to be selling now. So a traditional Martingale robot, we might have been selling and might have been stopped out or the account blown. Much more difficult to happen here. Why? Because when prices explode, we're on the right side. So here we opened a sell trade because we were overbought, and we were right. There was a retracement, and now we're buying again. Why? Because we are above the moving average. So it makes total sense. You would always want to be on the side of the trend. But how do you time your trades? Well, this bot opens a new trade as soon as take profit is hit or stop loss. This comes with a number of advantages and disadvantages. This is a design decision on this particular one. Notice also something really interesting, that here, can you see the take profit level is actually smaller than stop loss. Now we can do that on the first trade of the Martingale, and that is so powerful. So you have granular control of take profit and stop loss levels in the Martingale sequence. That is quite unique. Now I'm going to speed up a little bit and you can appreciate how it trades, and especially take note of what happens when there's like abrupt price movements, quick price movements. It's not a problem for this robot. It keeps you in line. Okay, so I'm going to speed up a bit and then I'll see you. We can have a look at the trading results here from this simulation from December the 13th, 2018 to January the 22nd, 2019. See you in a bit. Okay, so we're back. We had a run of a month and a bit. We did a little under 4% here, 4% given that this account is a $50,000 account. Let's have a quick look at the equity curve and see what that looks like. So here we have the chart. And what we see is a lot of winning trades. We do have a little bit of drawdown here. Here we had a considerable amount of drawdown, considerable, well, less than 3%. Not bad at all for a robot using Martingale, but of course we are on a $50,000 account as well. We have a look at the trade statistics. There we have it. We had a peak drawdown at one instance of a little under 5%. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Trend meeting Martingale, the result Trend Glider Plus, a very powerful trading tool for Forex investors that would like to have the benefits of Martingale but want to be in the trend.